Foremost, I take this privilege to call upon onto the dais that is, of course, the director of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College, that is Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Covello. And along with that, we have our chief guest, and our encouragement, very active person, and also, of course, she is also into the sea of traffic, and also Reverend Father Roshan Krasta, Administrator, Dr. E.S.J. Prabhakar, the Principal, also Reverend Father Ajit Menages, and Mr. Suraj, the Coordinator of this particular wonderful auspicious event. Dr. Girish Navada, the Medical Superintendent, I request you to also to join with all the guests over here. So all the ladies and gentlemen, shall we give a huge round of applause for all the dignitaries right here onto the dais. Run for a cause, run for a reason, and of course World Diabetes Day, and we have all the dignitaries onto the right platform here. So first and foremost, I take this privilege to welcome our beloved director of the Father Muller Charitable Trust, that is institution, that is of course Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Covello. Give him a round of applause and a warm welcome to you, Father, and I request Dr. E.S.J. Prabhakar, the Principal of Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital, to welcome Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Covello with a floral bouquet. And a warm welcome to you, Father. I take this privilege to welcome Mrs. Geeta Kulakarni, the ACP of Traffic, who is a very active, who is a very supportive person and into all the sector. And I think she's on time to everyone to encourage the right platform here. So we need to give a round of applause and a warm welcome to Mrs. Geeta Kulakarni, Madam. And I request Reverend Father Richard Aloysius Covello, the Director, to welcome Madam with a floral bouquet. A warm welcome to you, madam. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ತಾ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Shall we give him a round of applause and extend a warm welcome to him also. I take this privilege to welcome Dr. E.S.J. Prabhakar, the principal, for his lovely, wonderful movement right here. Warm welcome to you also. I welcome Reverend Father Ajit Menages and also Mr. Suraj, the coordinator, and along with that we have Dr. Girish also, and I take this, the physical director, Mr. Chennappa Krishna. Okay, so avrigu kuda ivattina ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ. Yes sir. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿರುವಾಗ ಈ ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ಎಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕುವೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ a few words.
Very happy Sunday. The greatest threat for all of us is diabetes, and this gives us lot of stress in our life, and we are very much worried. And today, being the World Diabetes Day, and for this Muller Run, 15 kilometers and 5 kilometers is organized for all of you to keep yourself fit. We always say healthy mind in a healthy body. Lack of exercise is the cause of diabetes, and therefore we have to keep ourselves fit, especially in Europe and in the States. People, they live long, even 90-95 years, but our lifespan is very short, maybe because of our sedentary habits, and therefore we have to get rid of it, and you should be example to so many others. Therefore I wish each and every one of you all the best, and may God bless you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected director and other dignitaries on the dais, and also all the doctors may be all participating. Yesterday I met one person, he is 108 years. So asked is what is his secret. he said, every day, morning, walk, eat healthy, think healthy, and run. These are the 4 principles he said. So, you are a part of this. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Gratitude towards to everyone, those who are present here, and I request everyone to please to step forward towards the flag of moment or the point over there and be. Hello, check test. I request all the participants, those who are going to participate in 5 kilometer, to be there only near to the stage, not to mix up with the 15 kilometer participants. And I request, and again the finishing point is this itself. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿ ತೊಕ್ಕೋಟು ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗವಾಗಿ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಬೀರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ladies and gentlemen, all the participants, are you guys ready? Come on, I want everyone lift your hands and come on, are you guys ready? Yes, everyone are ready to run for a cause, and of course, once again, it is a lovely moment to give a purpose towards the diabetes. So World Diabetics Day ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. I wish everyone all the very best ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, so I request flag offing session ನಮ್ಮ ACP ಅವರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಿಸಸ್ ಗೀತಾ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇವರು ಈಗ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ರನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ರನ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ರೆಡಿ? ಕಮ್ ಆನ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ. ಆನ್ ದ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಕಮ್ ಆನ್. Thank you so much to all the guests and the dignitaries. Thank you so much to Madam as well. Here to the particular stage over there. Thank you so much. a warm welcome to each and everyone. And of course, without wasting much time, we'll be moving towards the start of point over there. So I request all the dignitaries do step forward, please.
Once again, a hearty welcome to each and everyone. ಇಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ So I request the participants, if you have not used your chest number or the bib number, please use it on your chest or in your jersey, because that is an identification. So I request everyone to use the bib number on your chest. So once again, Father Muller Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital organizes on behalf of, the purpose is, yes, run for a reason on World Diabetics Day. So I want all the crowd here wants to shout, okay, next day, okay, come on, World, World, once again, still more louder, World. Yes, that was the purpose. And of course, ಮಧುಮೇಹ ಎಂಬುದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ನಿವಾರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೆಲ್ದಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಓಡುವುದು ಅಥವಾ ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಅ ವೈಟಲ್ ರೋಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡೈಲಿ routine. And today we'll be having the wonderful run for a reason, that is Muller Run, and already 15 kilometer is on process, and now it's a 5 kilometer. And I request all the dignitaries, and especially I request Reverend Father Reverend Father Ajit Minaj is with us. Avrigondu jorada chappale barli, and he is going to flag off now. Okay, all set, and all the participants, are you guys ready? Yes, here we go. On the count of, nan jothe ellaru count start ಮಾಡುವ. Come on, here we go. 5 4 3 2 1. All the best.
ಪುದಾರಿರ್ನ
ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್
ಒಲ್ತಾರೆ
ಉಡುಪಿ
ಉಡುಪಿ ಕನ್ನಡದವರು ಹಾಂ
ಇಲ್ಲಿನವರೇ
ಇಲ್ಲಿನವರೇ ಹೇಗಾಯಿತು
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
15 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಬಾಕಿಯವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ರೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೆಸರು ಕನ್ನಡ. ಹಾಂ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು? ಉಡುಪಿ. ಅವರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಾ ನೀವು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನೀವು? ಹಾಸನ. ಹಾಂ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್? ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಇದು? ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಓಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ಇವರ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೀವು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಓಡುವವರೇ. ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಓಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ? 42 ಫುಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್.